So I had a student ask if I can make videos on geometry and trig, and my response is yes, king. Let's talk about how we can use the Pythagorean theorem on the SAT. The Pythagorean theorem describes a relationship between the side lengths of a right triangle, and keep in mind that it can only be applied to right triangles. What it tells us is that the sum of the squares of the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Now let's look at an example of how this could show up on the SAT. Here we are given that a right triangle has legs of length 24 and 21 centimeters, and we are told that the hypotenuse can be written as 3 times the square root of d, where d is an integer. This is the most common application of Pythagorean theorem, finding a missing side length of a right triangle. So let's write it out. 24 squared plus 21 squared equals the square of the hypotenuse, which we are told can be written as 3 times the square root of d. So now we have an equation that we can solve for d. We can square a product by squaring each individual factor. So what we end up with is that d equals 24 squared plus 21 squared, all divided by 9, which we can plug into Desmos to get 113. Hope this helps, little bro.